Hey everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you, this is made by EMA Life. It is about a 40-inch diameter accumulation table, all stainless steel, pharmaceutical grade construction. Has some very unique features. Has a sealed shroud across the bottom of the table, and of course you see the boot there in the center. Keep any dirt from underneath in the drive from reaching the turntable. You see this dead center point here is probably used as the inlet to the table, rotating this way around. This fixture here, you see the guide is adjustable, has these two compression bolts hold it in place. You can move it in and out. And of course overhead there's a mounting for any kind of supplementary diverter you want to put in there. The one in the center is also movable, and you'll notice it is super quiet. And the reason for that is this uses a direct drive. We're operating on 220 single phase volt. You see it uses a polymer gear meshing with the main gear, and that really gives it that smooth, quiet drive. As we said, all stainless. It's made by EMA. We have lots of accumulators in our stock, both random and rotary, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.